We're outside today because it's beautiful here, right, Willie? Hey, what are you chewing on? The grass? William. Yep, pulling the grass out. Hi, Queen. What are you doing? Just chilling? Yeah? Look at your brother over there. He's still biting stuff. What do you want? I'm not picking you up. This is the first time this whole year that you've been able to be outside. Go play. No, go play. No, I'm not picking you up. No. No. Hey. So of course when I stop filming, the funniest thing happens. Miss Queenie here, I put her on top of the cage where Bug is, and she took a nice poop right on Buggy's back. Look at that. I'm so sorry, Bug. I didn't know she was gonna do that to you. Big mama, goofy girl. Poor Bug, he doesn't know what to do. I think he knows something's there, but he doesn't know how to get it off. This is what we do instead of running around in the yard and having fun. We sit on Mommy. Did we have fun outside? It's time to go in now though, because the sun is going down. Yeah, don't want my babies to get chilly. Right, Mama? Thanks guys for always checking out my videos, for giving likes and comments. If you would like to join our parrot family, you could always subscribe on here as well as follow us on Instagram. My name on there is parrot_Sir_William.